One of the worst feelings in the world is moving into a new home and then boom, a new construction neighborhood pops up in the perfect area, in the perfect school district with just the right amount of bedrooms, and you didn't even know that neighborhood existed. Now I know you're thinking, how do I find new construction homes that aren't on websites like realtor.com or zillow.com? Well, I've got the perfect solution for you, my new construction home website. On this website, you can find semi-custom built, custom built, and new construction homes, some that aren't even on the market or listed in the MLS. And now there's tons of financing options if you need assistance with down payment or your closing costs. And I've even built relationships with some of these builders where they're throwing in up to $30,000 to assist you with closing costs, down payment assistance, or to buy down your interest rate. So if you're interested in getting help or just obtaining information, click the link below and it'll take you directly to my website where you can search all the new construction homes in the state of South Carolina. I've helped countless families buy and sell real estate. I'm Ursula Malone with Homes with Malone, brokered by eXp Realty in South Carolina. So if you're ready to buy, sell, or invest anywhere in the U.S., feel free to reach out to me. And you can also reach out to me with any questions you have about starting the process or any questions in general in reference to new construction homes. I look forward to meeting you and answering any of those questions. And I look forward to helping you find the perfect home for you in the state of South Carolina. Have a good day.